Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon credit balance. When you make a purchase on Amazon, any available credit balance is automatically applied to your order during the checkout process. There is no need to manually select it as a payment option. Simply proceed with your shopping, and the system will deduct the amount from your credit. This ensures a seamless and straightforward experience, allowing you to easily utilize your balance for eligible items without any extra steps. Before making a purchase, it's a good idea to know your available credit. To check your balance, simply log in to your Amazon account. From there, navigate to the gift cards and gifting section, which you can usually find under your account settings. Your current Amazon.com gift card balance will be prominently displayed. This figure represents all gift cards and promotional credits that have been successfully applied to your account, giving you a clear picture of your spending power. Your Amazon credit is incredibly versatile, applicable to millions of items sold directly by Amazon or by third-party sellers fulfilled by Amazon. However, it's important to note a few restrictions. For instance, you generally cannot use your credit to purchase other gift cards, certain subscriptions, or some digital content from external providers. Additionally, your credit balance is non-transferable and cannot be redeemed for cash, ensuring it's used exclusively for purchases on the Amazon platform. If you encounter any issues with your credit balance not applying, first double-check that you are logged into the correct Amazon account. Also, confirm that the items in your shopping cart are eligible for credit redemption, as some exclusions apply. For any persistent problems or specific questions, the best course of action is to contact Amazon customer service directly. Having your order details and account information readily available will help them provide you with faster and more efficient assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.